I make an extra $2,500 every month by essentially doing nothing, and today I'm going to outline exactly what I do, should you wish to get into it yourself. Now, I would like to mention that it took a lot of work to get to this point, as well as many failures and many months where the business actually lost money by not having a great return on our ad spend. But I overcame all of those obstacles, and now it's almost guaranteed to pay me every month, and it's also semi-passive. You might be wondering what this business actually is. Well, it's running an agency, but not like a digital marketing or development one. It's more of a services company, something similar to Fiverr. And here's exactly what I did to get started. First, I needed to find a niche, and I made sure it's in a field that I had a lot of interest in, so that I wouldn't get bored and want to quit. For my niche, I combined two things that I really enjoy: Minecraft and YouTube. Next, I had to identify a problem in my niche and try to work out a solution that I could monetize. I noticed that a lot of YouTubers and content creators were constantly tweeting out that they were looking for video editors and thumbnail designers. But given all the bots on Twitter constantly scanning for hashtags and keywords, a lot of the replies they got were irrelevant. So my solution to this problem was to create a network that connects freelancers with creators looking to take their content to the next level. Now, I had to reach out to all of the talent that I knew and get them to join my team. Once I had a fair few freelancers in various categories, I would cold DM a lot of creators that often posted tweets looking for certain talents to join their team. I had them send me their requirements, and I shared them with the respective people. And then I sent the portfolio of the interested parties to the creators and created private channels for the ones that they wanted to work with. Part of my money came in from setting up and middlemaning the entire interaction from start to finish, but this was a once-off amount and not recurring. The recurring amounts came from the ease of payment. Many freelancers and creators don't use PayPal for larger amounts due to their fees and locking accounts for no reason. So the creator would pay us, handle the fees as well as include our cuts. We would then pay the freelancer using whatever method they prefer. We also protect them from chargebacks, which is yet another incentive for them to work with us. If you're an aspiring freelancer with dreams of working with large content creators, then this video might be of interest to you.